In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone number from Gmail. Since Gmail is part of your Google account, we'll remove the number from your Google account settings, which applies across Gmail and other Google services. I'll walk you through it clearly and point out a few tips to keep your account secure. Start by opening a web browser and going to your Google account. If you're already signed in, click your profile picture in the top corner and choose Manage your Google account. This takes you to your account dashboard, the central place for your personal details, security, and preferences. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The layout is similar. Next, head to the Personal Info tab. This is where Google stores your basic details. Scroll down until you see the Contact Info section, and look for the phone entry. You should see your number listed there. Go ahead and select it to open the phone number management page. On the phone number page, find the option to remove it. This usually appears as a delete button or a small trash can icon next to the number. Click or tap that option. Google will ask you to confirm, and in many cases you'll be prompted to verify it's really you by signing in again. That extra check is normal and helps protect your account. Confirm the deletion to finalize the change. After it's removed, give it a moment and then verify that the number no longer appears in your contact info. Because your Google account is used across multiple services, it's a good idea to double-check that it isn't still listed for recovery or security prompts elsewhere. If you need to review those preferences, you can visit the recovery phone area within your account to make sure everything looks right, or to re-add a number later if you choose. If your goal is to change the number rather than delete it, select the Edit or Change option next to the phone number instead, and follow the on-screen instructions to update it. That way, services that rely on your number will seamlessly switch to the new one. Finally, if you're removing your phone number for privacy reasons, consider setting up alternative ways to keep your account secure. Options like a recovery email, an authenticator app, or a security key can help you maintain strong protection without relying on a phone number. That's it. You've removed your phone number from your Google account, which covers Gmail as well. Keep your recovery options up to date, and you'll stay both private and secure.